Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make lassi at home. First, gather your ingredients: plain yogurt, water or milk, sugar, and ice. You'll also need a blender. This creamy, cool beverage is perfect for any time of day, offering a delightful balance of sweet and tangy flavors. It's a fantastic way to enjoy a taste of India right in your own kitchen, and it's surprisingly quick to prepare. Let's get started. For a classic sweet lassi, you'll need 1 cup of plain, full-fat yogurt. This provides the rich, creamy base. Next, add about 1/2 cup of cold water or milk. This helps achieve the perfect drinking consistency. For sweetness, start with 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar, but feel free to adjust this amount to your personal preference. Don't forget a few ice cubes to make it extra chilled and refreshing. Now it's time to blend. Pour your yogurt, water or milk, sugar, and a few ice cubes into your blender. Secure the lid and blend on high for about 30 to 60 seconds. You're looking for a smooth, creamy consistency with a nice frothy top. Once blended, give it a quick taste. If you prefer it sweeter, add a little more sugar. For a thinner lassi, add a splash more liquid. It's that easy. Beyond the classic sweet lassi, there are many delicious variations to explore. Try adding fresh mango chunks for a tropical twist, or blend in some strawberries for a fruity delight. A pinch of cardamom powder can also add a wonderful aromatic note. Garnish your finished lassi with a fresh mint leaf or a sprinkle of ground pistachios for an elegant touch. For more great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Enjoy your homemade lassi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.